make your user experience much better, we at the My ViewBoard have the facility to use different types of line designs that are there. Welcome back to Student Alliance community. My name is Shahrukh. So what you will do is you will click on this option over here where you have different variations that you can use for your designing elements. Apart from that, in case you want to use something very realistic also, just click on the brush option, and here you're able to create the fillers which makes it more interesting. Now this can be used for kids who are interested in design, and at the same time people who would want to experiment on different types of palettes using this particular feature. I hope that keeps your creativity going up and running. Thank you so much.